We're back.
Happy New Year.
Shooting mad videos in a row. So today's video is about our custom patches, our custom DTF patches, which means they can be embroidery style, they can have like a fabric style, they can have like a jean style. We offer that now starting at
$40.
$40.
So basically kind of like a setup fee,
Yes.
$40,
Yes.
because we have to digitize the logo. If you send us a logo of Hello Kitty, we would have to turn this into that effect.
Yes.
So that is a baseline of $40. If you're wanting to add color or customization,
Each color is going to be an additional $5.
$5 because we have to run it through the program, and it's a lot of details that go
Yes.
into that. A lot of work, a lot of graphic designing, digitizing. So this does cost a little bit of money for a setup fee, but it's worth it because it's going to look amazing.
Yes, in order to, so we can, as you can see here, you have a flat little image. Is my daughter's image that she wanted, a little flat image versus this image right here. And as you can see, the texture, and it looks like, and actually, it really looks like an embroidered patch. And it has depth and something like that. But this image right here started out as a regular flat 2D image like this. So to turn this into this, it takes a big process, and that process starts at $40. But we can definitely do it. Please do not be discouraged. And once it's done, you can scale it up. You can, so this right here is a gang sheet, and this is a 7-inch, so you can scale it up, you can scale it down, you can do whatever you want with, and these are some Dragon Ball Z pre-made DTF patches that are available on the website. But even these, so if you wanted to take this little heart here and you wanted to, or even this apple, if you wanted to make this apple have like texture like an apple, I don't know how that is, but if you wanted to, we could definitely do it, and that price starts at $40. But if you wanted to change it to a green apple, and you wanted to make this into a green apple, or you wanted to make this heart into like a chocolate heart, something like that, then the price would go. But please contact us, because we would love to turn your image into something beautiful. That's what Flash Graphics is.
Yes, and it is a one-time fee. If you pay for this one time, we are able to use that over and over and over again. So you don't have to pay to get your item, your image digitized over and over and over. It is a one-time.
Yes, that's the word. Yes. So the same way that you would go to another company and get your item digitized, but the difference is you are going to be able to print this on DTF. So now you're going to be able to get a huge sheet of this, have the same look as embroidered, or I forgot what the other material names are. Aren't there some other material names?
I don't know, but you get it for half the price, and you look how many you would be able to get. Like that is crazy. I think embroidery right now is about 10 to 15 a patch, like like an embroidery, like if you get hats done, and then like,
I don't know. I know that there's a minimum though.
10, yeah. So there's a lot of restrictions with embroidery. Yeah. So don't forget, this is just DTF that has that effect. So it's really a game changer.
Yes, and please, like I said, it's all of these designs and creation is a part of our brand new Flash Graphics department. So if you come to us for things to digitize an image, you can also come to us for logo. You can come to us for clothing, apparel, logo design, or, anything else. Whatever your brain can imagine, Flash Graphics can do it. It is separate from ordering transfers. So just be fully aware of that you can, hey, listen, I want to get this done, or I want to get this done, or I'm thinking about putting this graphic because I run a news channel and we need this image to look like this. Or hey, just recently for the lady at UPS, she sent me a screenshot and we were able to totally change it, bring it to life, make the image beautiful, and it came out great.
It really did.
Yeah, it came out really good. So just know that we don't have any limitations. Just like our DTF product has no limitations, neither does Flash Custom Graphics. So please contact us if you have any graphic design needs. Soon we're gonna get into video, but right now we are just on art, but soon we will eventually get into video, because the world that you see on our website was made by us.
Yeah.
Yep, with the logo flying around the world, that was made by us. So, but when it comes to 2D graphics and now 3D graphics and renders and stuff like that, we can definitely do it. Any ideas?
No, that's good. Just our flash graphics department. We're really trying to let you know what we offer there. So that's important that you guys never forget about that. And like Carl said, you don't necessarily have to buy our transfers. If you need to get your images vectored, if you need to get color changed, if you need to just get a logo created, that is where you would do that flash graphics. And it's all in the same, within the same company. So you can just email us at the normal order now at flashcustomtransfers.com.
Yes, and background removed, and they kind of touch on, and they kind of touch on real life photos.
Yes, enhancing real life photos.
Yes, yeah. There's a lot of people who have poor quality images. Maybe they're like 260 by 260 pixels, and we can definitely up the quality of that. Probably double, triple the resolution of that really fast. A lot of people think remember we had one guy who was on the live, and we were like, no, we could do that in a day. Some
graphic designers' turnaround time is slower.
No,
so
ours is really fast.
So turnaround time for our flash graphics is
dang near
less than 24 hours.
Yes, less than 24
I always want to say 24 hours just to give us that room for error, but it's less than 24-hour turnaround.
If it's during business hours, which is 10 to 6.
Yes.
Yes, but again, Chella and I, we work 24 hours a day. Just whenever it comes to the weekend, we have the children and stuff like that. And we got a pretty busy weekend this weekend, but don't not be discouraged. And just also know, because I know a lot of people are going to Fiverr and stuff like that. And we are actually trying to directly compete against Fiverr, because you have to go into Fiverr and you don't really know what you're getting. So the business model of Flash Graphics is for you to be like, well, if I need anything related to graphics, I don't need to go to Fiverr. I can just go directly to Flash Graphics, send it, boom, and get it back immediately.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? The process is to get it back to you super fast. But like Chelly said, I don't think we've never not done it in a day.
No, just like you said, business hours, that might be the only situation. But yes, our Flash Graphics team is great with the turnaround time, and the prices are very reasonable. To vector an image, we do start at $15, depending on the complexity of the image. So that kind of gives you an idea. That's your starting base, $15. That is pretty good to vector an image, comparable to other graphic designers.
Yeah, there's nobody on the market that's vectoring images for $15. And that's the reason why we did it, because we want you to know that you can come to us and have that low vectoring fee, which means download an image from Google and turn it into a crisp image like this for $15 for a vectoring fee. And you know that you can turn around and charge $25.
Yes.
Because people on Fiverr and stuff like that, they're charging, all types of amount of money, but they're not actually making your image that high quality. Or you'll go to Etsy. And
man.
Right?
I get so many emails. People are like, oh man, I bought this on Etsy, because, they will get it and they'll send it to us as you should. I love the proactiveness. I love that you're finding these images and bringing them to us. That means you are understanding the concept of what needs to be done to get these amazing transfers. Love it. But a lot of people on Etsy do sell low resolution images, which we buy images from Etsy to give away for free. And some of these were very low resolutions, which I had to go and vector them. So just be very careful when you're purchasing from Etsy. And that's something that we don't even know when you're purchasing. You won't know until you receive your images and then go through each one of the 300 pack that you got. So just be very careful. If you do find an image online or on Etsy, like one image, and you really want it, just contact us. We'll make sure that it is the highest resolution and that you get your money's worth. With Etsy, you really never know what you're gonna get.
Yeah, and to touch on that, if you find an image, there's not an image that we can't make. So if you find an image on Etsy and it's this much,
we will beat their price.
Yeah, we'll
well, I don't know.
Yeah, it just depends.
Yeah.
I mean, if you find like a very unique image that's on anybody's website, as long as it's not like the NFL logo, I'm not gonna send you the NFL logo. But you know what I mean? If you find like a really cool image, we can recreate it.
Yes.
We can totally recreate that image. It's very easy. And that's really what the vectoring process is. From that image, it has to be redrawn, and then so that you can manipulate every piece of it. But just like Chelly said, there's a lot of images out there that just aren't what they tell you they are.
Yeah.
And that's the reason why we have such a big library of free images for you guys to go and download and use on your sublimation and your DTF and all of your other projects that you have going on. our images that we put on the website have been vetted and gone through.
Yes.
And don't forget, if there is anyone that isn't right, send it back to us so that we can send you back the correct PNG. That's not going to cost you anything.
Yeah, no, definitely not.
Yeah, because and please go out there and get AI and stuff like that. Click all the links in the description down below for Canva.
Oh, Canva, you're able to do a free page builder on Canva. You do have to have the pro subscription to be able to export correctly and kind of have those features. Our link is in the description for Canva to get that pro so you can set up your own gang sheets. And we have a video as well on that, on how to set up your own gang sheets on Canva.
Yes.
Just a better and cheaper alternative to Adobe, which is about $60 a month.
Yeah.
But we also have a link for that as well if you wanted to go ahead and commit to that Adobe.
Yes, please do. Because anytime that you, and I'll conclude with this, anytime that you download any type of image, once you bring it into Adobe or Photoshop, AI or Photoshop, that's when you're truly able to see its actual resolution.
Yes.
And you can't do that with softwares like Canva.
You cannot. No, you would have to know that those images are high quality, high resolution before you upload them into Canva.
Yep. So that's going to be it, guys. Hopefully we gave you a lot of information in this video. Please check out all of our other previous videos. Please check out the video about our brand new $8.99 Flash Plus subscription. Please become a member. We want you guys to become a member so that you can get all of the amazing discounts. Check out all of our other videos. If this is your first time tuning in to Straight Outta Content Flash Sales and Transfers, we welcome you. We just are here to teach you all the information about business and in regards to this world of full color transfers and what products to use. We're just here just to give you as much information as possible. Yep,
Good job.
it. All right, I gotta take a Laura to swim class, so that's gonna be it, guys. You guys be safe out there.
Love you so much.
Peace.